Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by tuning the Telecaster and settling the strings in their nut slots so measurements are reliable. Once done, capo at the 1st fret and press the highest string at the 17th fret, then check relief at the 8th fret with a feeler gauge. You want a small gap, roughly 0. 0, 10, 0. 0, 15 for light action. Make 1/8 turn adjustments to the truss rod only. This slowly straightens or adds relief and prevents overcorrection while you move into bridge setup. With neck relief settled, focus on saddles. Use the correct Allen key and alter each saddle height to reach your target action, typically 4/64 on the treble and 6/64 on the bass for a classic tele feel, while keeping string radius consistent with the fretboard. Once heights are near, check intonation by comparing the 12th fret harmonic to the fretted 12th note and move saddles forward or back until they match. Retune and recheck after each adjustment so the strings settle and your measurements remain valid. Finish by playing across the neck in normal attack style, checking for fret buzz and ensuring fretting is comfortable. If you hear buzz near the 1st frets, it usually means too little relief or overly low saddles. Make small corrections. One more 1/8 turn on the truss rod or tiny saddle raises, then retune and recheck intonation. Stretch new strings, lock down tuning hardware, and verify everything again after the strings settle for 24 hours. This single follow-up step prevents surprises and keeps action stable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.